this paid. Shit, what could a hoe say? The bag so expensive, my pussy came with it. Body so nice, they be saying who did it. But everything natural, actual, factual. Prissy in the streets, but I fuck like an animal. All you hoes know who the fuck I am. From your boyfriend down to my Instagram, to all them busted ass hoes that you kiki with. I bet your jaw drop if you ever see me, bitch. I'm her. She. Take a pic, it's me. Take your friends, this her.
Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute?
I need a hot girl.
What you want, boy?
I want a hot girl.
What you need, boy?
I need a hot girl.
What you want, boy?
I want a hot girl.
Do your thing, girl. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing, girl.
You do you, and whatever that is, I'ma do it better. Hoes must've just seen me in it playing catch up. Bitches looking like Lil Megan's playing dress up. Would I ever spend a block on a nigga? Never. I don't even wear outfit twice. Dead them. Any bitch got a problem, probably never met them. Tell her hey to kiss both cheeks, child. Bella, but I'm used to the chatter, cause I'm her.
Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Everybody